She got her mating call? Oh, 5270. Oh, 5261.
You own a property? Do you own it?
Do you own the property?
Do you own the property? Do you own the property? But do you own it?
No, I don't own it.
Well, then why don't we'll wait for somebody
to... flashlight.
Yeah, we'll wait for someone to ask us to get off the property. You don't own the property.
And you can't go.
That's how the law works. Kids.
Keeps us in check just like you.
That's how the law works, kids.
What's your name and your badge number?
She did go solicit a trespass.
You gonna go solicit a trespass? You're gonna go, shut up. Stop telling me what to do.
She did go solicit.
Little girl.
Where you going, ma'am?
You're talking to a real man, little girl.
Soliciting a trespass.
Yeah, you're talking to a real man, little girl. Not even your daddy can talk to me like that.
So she's over here soliciting a trespass.
She's trying to solicit a trespass. We're gonna teach her how the law works. Then we'll go make a complaint.
Are you gonna kick your door down for that trespass?
We're gonna go make a complaint on her.
Hey, that's title 18.
Yeah. What's your name and badge number? Look at how rude she is to her. Look at.
Hey, who speaks Spanish?
Soliciting a trespass right here.
She's gonna go in and
Hey, can we get your name and badge number?
Two of them. Come on.
Excuse me. Can we get your name and badge number?
You need to relax.
That's fine. Can we get your name and badge number really quick? Rude little girl. Can we get your name and badge number? Yeah, we can. Look at it.
here we go.
The
El
soliciting of
Zorro
trespass.
is in the house.
I'm declaring the authority.
Back up, please.
Hey, Sergeant, can I get you to identify really quick? Are you a mute?
Are you soliciting a trespass? 242, conspiracy to violate.
Yeah, but you don't know.
Conspiring to violate our rights right now, dummy.
It's private property, that's fine, but you don't own it. You guys don't know how the law works?
Conspiracy to violate rights. You guys are seeing it right here. This is Mesa PD for you. Congratulations, stupid.
Now they're trying to bully the lady and they're forcing her to tell us to leave.
All they can do is ask us to leave. They can't ID anybody.
The property owner doesn't work on the property.
Oh, did you solicit a trespass? Hey, oh, it is a deuce. No wonder. You would solicit a trespass on film.
So just stay on the
fucking
sidewalk.
But you're not.
mouth, dude.
We need her to come tell us.
This is deuce.
Yeah, I don't think you understand how the law works.
Shut up, bitch.
Shut up. Shut up.
up, bitch.
She didn't come out and tell us. You don't own the property. That's not how the law works.
Talk to the owner.
She needs to come out and tell us. You do not.
Shining the light
Do you
in
not
my
know
face.
how the law works?
Stop.
Do you not know how the law works?
Get off the property.
Okay, I
All the
need
way
you
back.
to. I need you to identify.
I don't. You need to get off the property.
Fitch, what's your badge number?
You don't need my badge number. Back up.
But she didn't come out and tell us.
It doesn't matter.
Well, how do you know I'm not going to get a room here? How do you know I'm not going to get a room here?
Shining the light in my
How do you know? How do you know I'm not going to get a room here? How do you not know? How do you know I'm not a guest?
Be arrested.
How do you know I'm not a guest?
Matter, Fitch.
Did she not come out? She hasn't come out and tell us nothing.
Understand that.
What's your badge number? What's your name?
My
You guys are going to be famous.
What is it?
Okay.
What is it?
Technically,
If
we're
you do
not
not
on the
get off the
property, so
property,
you better
you
relax.
are on the property. Get on the sidewalk.
There's a
We'll be
car coming
arrested.
in.
You're on the
Watch
sidewalk.
Look,
All
you
the way
bitch.
there. There you go. You
Look,
stay there.
look, you bitch.
Stay there. You're not. Get on the sidewalk.
Why do you girls?
Be right
Why do you
there.
girls have to act like bitches? Why can't you just act right?
Get fucking act right, motherfucker. Fucking piece of shit.
Don't say nothing. They are not your friends.
Oh, you're not? Can I get your name and
Are you mute?
Can you give me your name and badge?
Are you stupid too?
Don't get up on me.
Hey.
Hey, we're on fucking public property,
That's right.
stupid.
I'm on the sidewalk, bro. Fucking idiot.
Scared little bitch.
Fucking idiot. Fucking motherfucker. It's because you got a badge and a gun, you think you're tough. Huh?
Why do you act like such a pussy? You fucking move, motherfucker.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
Hey, don't talk to him.
This shit's gonna blow over the wind, watch. What an idiot.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hey, stop touching me, dude. Don't touch me. I was right here.
Back up.
I'm on
Back up. Property. If you don't move, you're going to go to jail. Move. Now.
under threat of arrest.
Back up. Move.
On public property.
I'm not going to ask you again.
What's your name, Brad?
You're under arrest.
Yeah. That was fucking dumb right there.
Damn.
Good job, Coleman. Good job, Coleman.
Okay.
That's evidence.
That's not evidence.
His phone is evidence.
Give me his phone. He just released it to me. Give me his phone. Give me his phone. You guys are live right now. You guys are fucking up.
Good job.
Hey, Deuce, you're doing it again.
Look at what they're doing to yellow tape.
That's a waste of taxpayer money right there. What's he being arrested for?
Hey, I'm
For being on the sidewalk.
For being on the sidewalk,
Look what they're doing. They're crossing this over on us.
which they're trying to put us in the street.
You don't need to touch me. I'm not going nowhere.
They're arresting Twisted Image for being on the sidewalk when they said be on the sidewalk.
You guys, Twisted Imagery just got arrested. Hey, Rice Crispy, if you can find his channel.
On the sidewalk. You guys
And,
just
put
fucked
the
up
link.
my Calderon. Dummies, direct keys out here. Smile. Hey, big.
Hey, why do you guys have such a disdain for the public, man? We weren't even doing. Nope. Hey, can I get my car keys from him?
Yeah. His name is Mark.
Hey guys, I just
Mark.
It's a hot call. They're sending more units.
What's your
Hot
last
call
name?
here.
Woo! Good job, guys. Thank you. There we go.
Okay, guys, Mark being arrested by the ASAP.
So now if I need to go this way, I have to walk out on the street.
You walk down to the crosswalk and cross and then go back.
Fuck you. They once they made God made a perfect asshole until they put teeth in your mouth. You can't fucking block the sidewalk like this.
Just like that car over there.
Yeah, illegal right there. 5216.
I was standing on public property.
And we have a video of it.
Hey, Deuce, I just got off the phone with my lawyer and a bail bond, so do whatever you're gonna do, stupid. Do whatever you're gonna do, dumbass.
Good job, guys. Good job, Mesa.
You just fucked up again.
Good fucking job.
Cite and release, stupid. You better do it right here.
Yeah, site release. There's no way you should take him to jail.
Stop talking to him, Mark. Mark, Mark, stop talking to him.
Back up, bozo. Shut up, Coleman.
Officer's discretion. You guys are the ones pushing him around.
that bitch.
Tell us to go on the sidewalk and then you arrest them.
Good job.
Down.
Get back, bitch. Tapes down? Tapes down. Tapes down, bitch.
More cops showing up.
There more
Hold on, you guys. I gotta tie my shoes.
Look at this.
So Mark, Twisted Imagery, just got arrested.
Mark from Twisted Imagery
Standing on the
arrested
sidewalk.
Mesa when they
You're
told
not
us.
This
allowed to
sidewalk, by
block
the way,
off
is
because of the new laws, dumbass. You guys
public.
just keep fucking up.
Their property starts where that intersection.
Which one of you guys carry the Inglorious Bastard coin?
Yeah, you got a coin on you?
How
Or did you
embarrassing.
drop it?
That's Sergeant Deuce right there, everybody.
That's 1, 2,
He was there
3,
when
4,
Calderon
5,
arrested me, falsely.
6, 7 officers. That should-
In release.
Where's Calderon at? Huh?
Hey, is your name Deuce?
That is Sergeant Deuce. I gotta drop a deuce.
Should be
on him.
embarrassed of yourself, Deuce.
Smash
Hey,
that
Sergeant,
like
you
that,
should get the guy to not block the sidewalk. If someone comes in a wheelchair, they can't cross. New law.
Come arrest me again, you fucking pigs.
Smash that like button.
And this is public utility,
Take the
so
handcuffs off of him and let him go. Stop fucking making it worse.
Damage control.
You guys
Hey, Citizen Friendly, can you,
It's just the imagery right
James
there.
Freeman,
Subscribe, you guys. Smash the like button and share this so that everybody knows what's going on. Glendale TD's being chilled, but we just got to...
420 on my stream says you guys are all fucking puke.
Yeah. Stop talking to him, dude.
That bitch over there don't know how to behave.
You don't
even want to identify.
Can't identify.
5403.
Smirking with our tax dollars on our paycheck.
Hey, you're a welfare recipient, fucking loser. Hey, you're a loser. You're fucking below me, you loser. You're a welfare recipient, fucking beggar. You fucking beg for government funds. Look at that fucking shoulder shrug. That shoulder shrug is because we're putting you in check.
Tape like this and said that he was inside his
I am fucking mentally destroying you, you fucking welfare recipient. You get the same fucking check as somebody on welfare. Fucking loser.
How old are you, bro?
Fucking below me, dude. You're fucking below me, kid. You and your fucking stupid flat top haircut. You fucking loser haircut. Look at that shit, dude.
Handcuffs off now.
Crap.
There they go. They're coming off.
Let him go.
This detainment might cost you some money.
Let him go.
They're taking his cuffs off.
Can't do shit.
You guys call flood.
Come on, Fitch. I know you don't want to.
Hey, Sarge, can we talk to you, man? Get over here, Sarge. Let me talk to you real quick.
There you go. Do the right thing.
Do your job.
Hey, you might want to go behind that car, honey.
Little girl, come here. Let me talk to you.
Cupcake.
I need to talk to your daddy so I can let him know what it is. He raised a bad little girl.
She was cute.
He raised a rotten little girl. Fuck yeah, bro. Hey, Sarge.
Fucking pig.
Thanks for doing the right thing, Sarge. Hey, Sarge. Hey, come here, Sarge. Let me give you some props. Get your ass over here on the double.
Hey, he was actually fucking cool.
Yeah, good job, bro.
He was actually cool.
Thank you, City and Mesa, for my fucking paycheck.
Hey, make sure you let them know you solicited a trespass.
Hey, what's your name and your badge
Title
number?
18, 242.
Hey, where's the fucker that
violate rights.
where's the piece of shit that put me in
Get it on
handcuffs?
camera, dumbass.
It was
It's a federal
Coleman. His name
offense.
is Coleman.
Your certification's gone.
Coleman. What's your name and your badge number? Rookie?
Brady list, stupid.
Hey, rookie, what's your name and your badge number?
You know what the Brady list is? You
72
guys
in your
be honest,
policy.
keep doing shit like this.
72 in your policy. What is it?
Scott doesn't know how to do his
It's
job.
identifying
Tyrant right there.
Get simple
I gotta
citizens
say,
out of the
dude, you
way.
guys let me
Do a fucking simple job like that without putting fucking anyone in handcuffs.
Fuck that motherfucker. He was there with Caldwell arrested. Don't say these dudes are not bad. Don't give him any fucking props. Fuck you, motherfuckers.
Hey, kid.
You too.
Fuck you,
All you over there
Coleman.
hiding from our cameras, you fucking punk pussies.
What are they doing over here?
They're trying to get in, but they're blocking them. And
You guys are blocking the street.
Yeah, blocking the flow of traffic.
It's not. Hey, it's not
gotta
fucking.
You guys block the fucking way. There's not a thing like
Oh,
that.
hey.
Fuck you.
Nah, because
Hey.
there's a street right there.
Y'all are blocking the fucking
You like the
roadway.
park orders,
Right
don't
here.
you?
Y'all are blocking the roadway.
Unnecessarily blocked. Unnecessarily blocked.
Hey, tell the cop to get off the road. He's in the road.
You guys want to block it? We'll make our way around it.
Where's the guy that he had detained, bro?
Officer safety.
Over there.
No, the first guy that was sitting here.
Just put the handcuffs because I fucking asked for a name and badge number. Punks, man.
Hey, Sarge. I just want to say thank you for doing the right thing and letting him go, man. I appreciate that. Can I get your name down?
Too.
Did you get his name?
No.
You're the probably the tyrant
kinda
that go around
pissed
shooting
off.
people because you don't wear a fucking body cam, huh? Is it on?
Oh.
What's your name?
I don't see no light.
Hey, what's your name and badge number?
Oh, he ain't gonna tell you. Hey, San Joaquin.
Hey, what's your name and badge
Hey,
number?
I got it too.
22449. Thanks, kid.
Hey, he told me to get out of the roadway.
Look at that shit. Yeah, they're blocking the sidewalk.
Yeah.
If someone in a wheelchair
Block
need to
the
buy, they
roadway.
can't go.
Hey, little girl. Why do you gotta have a disdain for the public? Little girl. Your daddy didn't raise you right, huh? Fitch. Hey, Fitch. It rhymes with bitch. Huh? Why your daddy didn't train you and teach you correctly, little girl?
She's a field trading
Waste
officer.
of fucking money.
You're trash. Hey, did you know you were a welfare recipient? Did you know you get the same check as somebody on welfare? Did you know that you're a welfare recipient? You're a welfare recipient, little girl. You're a beggar for tax dollars.
We'll see you on the next call.
Check out all these beggars.
Hey, look, their park's so close. They're having
She pulled a knife on me.
so now they have to
Huh?
back up.
She pulled a knife on
Hey,
the
sweetie, are you alright? She's like,
Get the fuck out of here. Holy shit, you got that? Did you get that? Holy shit. One of them pulled a knife out on San Joaquin Audits.
Oh, wow.
She pulled a knife out on them and shit.
The female
got
officer
it? Holy shit.
on San Joaquin Audit.
Yeah. San Joaquin Audits just got a knife pulled out on him. Holy fuck.
Now they're running the light.
as for all these other motherfuckers.
Watch out, he'll run your ass over. All for one dude that was sitting out there, dude.
Yeah, no shit. Fucking losers, dude.
Putting fucking handcuffs because I asked for a fucking name and badge number. Fucking piece of shit. Fuck you.
Bad piggy.
Fuck you.
Get used to it.
Fuck you.
Get used to it.
Piece of shit.
Fucking welfare recipient.
Get used
No
to
shit.
Bad piggy. Bad piggy.
Butt hurt fucking police. Sweet, thank you.
Fuck yeah.
Butt hurt police.
Hey, Sergeant.
solicited a trespass, you stupid son of a
Hey,
bitch.
Sergeant.
Soliciting a trespass.
Told us.
Yeah, but Sergeant, the owner never told us. That's not how the law works,
Dude,
man.
how fucking dumb can you be? How
Hey,
fucking dumb
hey,
can you
I'll
be,
come on this side.
motherfucker?
Hey, Deuce.
How fucking dumb can you be, motherfucker? You solicited a trespass.
Hey.
You stupid piece of fucking shit.
Hey, hey, really?
Fuck
You need
you,
people to
Deuce.
come out and teach you how the law works?
Fucking punk.
You don't know how the law works?
motherfucker.
There we go.
Know your place, man. Know the fucking limit
Fuck
the scope
you,
of your
dude.
authority.
You are a straight piece of shit.
That's
Deuce.
called a fucking walk of shame. You guys are walking. You guys are all
Make you
doing the walk
famous
of shame.
again.
Deuce will be with you all night.
Kick rocks, Deuce.
It's Chris here again, buddy.
Hey, deuces, deuce.
We're gonna make you famous again, you stupid son of a bitch.
Holy
Where's
shit.
your car, Deuce? Where's your 906, Deuce?
Look at all these welfare recipients,
Where's
guys.
your backup, Deuce?
All of this for one guy that was sitting out there.
Parkway over there.
Hey, Deuce needs a 906. He's got 10 cameras on his ass.
You guys go subscribe, Tempe. Yeah. Hey, roll your window down, man. I can see you, stupid. I can see your smug ass face.